Well, what do we need to fix today? This cup holder. If you've got these three things, you can do this repair at home in less than 15 minutes for free. Check it out. If you can accomplish this first step, the rest of the repair should be downhill. We need to first open up the cup holder so we can pull out the entire assembly. Just work around with your pry tool around the opening and try and pull it towards you. Two tools would make it a little bit easier, but one works okay. Just be careful if you do use a screwdriver. It looks like somebody's been here before and left it with a lot of Mars. So a plastic trim removal tool is really ideal for this, but screwdriver with some tape will get you by in a pinch. I'll try to show you, but there are two tabs. One on the right, about there, you can kind of see it, and then another here on the left-hand side. So just to press it very carefully, I mean, this is over 20-year-old plastic we're talking about. I did each side and then switched over to my Leatherman since it was easier to have something flat, a little bit more convenient. And voila, there you go. Now we'll just remove this light switch by twisting counterclockwise. That'll come out. This is what we're looking for. So it's pretty simple how this thing works. You have this little spring on the back, you push it in, that depresses these and then pushes this out. But obviously if this spring is not there, this thing just gets stuck. So while it's out, I figure I'm gonna clean it up real quick and then we'll reattach that spring. Pretty versatile. All right, now to address this, honestly, I'm just gonna put this back, put 2 screws in it. Keep it simple. Looks like they had some kind of rivets or something that broke off. Screws will definitely hold longer. And I'm just gonna go through my screws. You can either use machine screws or I might just use panhead screws, that way it's flat. I think these ones should work just fine. I mean, we're only needing to go this tiny bit, so this would be overkill. Boom. Free fix. Back in, line up the rails, that side, and then you may need to depress these locking tabs, but honestly, if you just give it a good push, now look at that. Free fix, couple screws. Hope it helps. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more F-150 repair videos. There's going to be a lot more coming. Thanks for watching, guys.